Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English with Yuki. My name is Yuki. I'm an English instructor from有楽町 Language. 皆さんこんにちは。この動画は英会話スクールリンゲージの公式ビデオチャンネルです。本日は有楽町講師Yukiが過去形ドリル第2弾をお届けしたいと思います。過去形ドリルのルールについては前回のビデオでお話ししていますので、まだそちらのビデオをご覧いただいてない方はそちらのビデオを先に見ていただいて、この過去形ドリル第2弾に戻ってきていただきたいと思います。このようなリピートの練習は漢詞の抜け落ちを防いだり、より文法を理解するのに役立ちますので、ぜひ何度もビデオを繰り返してみて、練習していただきたいと思います。それでは早速始めたいと思います。レベル3 Question 1 My grandmother falls down the stairs every year. Repeat. Every year to last year. My grandmother fell down the stairs last year. Repeat. Question 2 I always find something fun. Repeat. Always to last time. I found something fun last time. Repeat. Question 3 My son sometimes forgets his bento box. Repeat. Sometimes to this morning. My son forgot his bento box this morning. Repeat. Question 4 I often give my boyfriend some money for his birthday. Repeat. Often to last year. I gave my boyfriend some money for his birthday last year. Repeat. Question 5 My boss has a meeting today. Repeat. Today to last weekend. My boss had a meeting last weekend. Repeat. Question 6 I always keep it simple. Repeat. Always to last time. I kept it simple last time. Repeat. Question 7 My aunt sometimes leaves her dog at home. Repeat. Sometimes to last Saturday. My aunt left her dog at home last Saturday. Repeat. Question 8 Yuki always loses her bike key. Repeat. Always to yesterday. Yuki lost her bike key yesterday. Repeat. Question 9 My sister makes mistakes at work all the time. Repeat. All the time to last night. My sister made mistakes at work last night. Repeat. Question 10. I show you how to cook every night. Repeat. Every night to yesterday. I showed you how to cook yesterday. Repeat. はい、過去形ドリル第2弾レベル3いかがでしたでしょうか。このような練習ですね、リピート、文字を見ないで何度もリピートできるようにビデオを再生して練習してみてください。この動画が役に立ったというふうに思った方はいいねのボタンをお願いいたします。また来週もこのようなビデオをアップロードしていきたいと思いますので、チャンネル登録の方もお願いいたします。それではまたビデオやレッスンで皆さんにお会いするのを楽しみにしています。Thank you very much for watching.
Question 11. My grandmother falls down the stairs every year.
My grandmother falls down the stairs every year.
Every year to last year.
My grandfather fell down the stairs last year.
Changed gender?
Sorry. What did I say?
Grandfather.
Grandfather? Oh my god.
Had a sex change as he fell down the stairs. Question 11. My grandmother falls down the stairs every year.
My grandmother falls down the stairs every year.
Every year to last year.
My grandmother fell down the stairs last year.
I often give my boyfriend some money for his birthday.
I often give my boyfriend some money for his birthday.
Often to last year.
I gave my boyfriend some money for his birthday last year.
Question 15. My boss has a meeting today.
My boss has a meeting today.
Today to last weekend.
My boss had a meeting last weekend.
Question 18. Yuki always loses her bike key.
Yuki always loses her bike key.
Always to yesterday.
Yuki lost her bike key yesterday.